Is it time to buy or sell AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF? In this video, we will explore AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, and we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 6th of August, 2025, our system has ranked the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.85. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a loss of 55.05%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.38% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $7.31 is breached, it will first indicate a stronger rate of decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -48.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -50% to -19.57%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -75.42%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from -100% to -16.18% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $6.30. Our latest daily update for AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF includes the headline, Volatile Ride for AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF Price on Wednesday, moving between $7.42 and $8.19. The AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF price fell by 6.58% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, from $8.05 to $7.52. It has now experienced a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated 10.39%, ranging from a low of $7.42 to a high of $8.19. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 15.79% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 28 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 73 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $550 million and $6,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $162.36, while the lowest price was $7.42. Currently, the price stands at 95.37%, or $154.84, below the 52-week high, and 98.67%, or $555.82, below the all-time high recorded on January 6, 2023, when the price reached $563.34. TSLQ is a 2x daily inverse exchange-traded fund on Tesla that continues to appear in weekly top performer lists. It is part of an expanding lineup of single-stock leveraged products from its issuer. Recent discussions have highlighted a significant fact. TSLQ is designed for short-term tactical trading, not for buy-and-hold strategies. Structural characteristics such as daily reset compounding, documented value decay, and the use of contracts for difference and total return swaps lead to higher financing and tracking costs. These factors can amplify losses if the fund is held for more than a day. In the short term, increased attention and product line expansion can enhance trading volume, narrow spreads, and elevate intraday volatility, generating trading opportunities and sharper price movements. However, over the long term, the effects of compounding, elevated ongoing costs, and repeated cautions against long holds can diminish investor interest, reduce assets under management, and heighten relative underperformance compared to a simple inverse of Tesla. In summary, TSLQ can experience rapid movements and offer rewards for precise, time-sensitive trades, but these same dynamics make it a risky instrument susceptible to decay for longer-term investments. The following signals have been identified for the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $8.26 and $12.28. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025, and since then, the price has decreased by 51.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the ETF is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 315 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 55 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, 113 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 104 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, this ETF may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This ETF is subject to high daily fluctuations, displaying considerable volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of approximately 77 cents between its highest and lowest points, translating to a change of 10.39%. In the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 7.67%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF stands at $8.18. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. There is also a lack of significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which suggests that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Therefore, it is important to proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such conditions. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and a stop-loss has not been established. Is the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF a wise investment choice? The AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF presents several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate its performance to remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this ETF is unfavorable. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of October, we predict that the AXS TSLA Bear Daily ETF will open higher by 190 cents, beginning trading at $7.71. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We strongly encourage you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. If you agree or disagree, we invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.